Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Reaper Gaming here with something totally different. So if you have a Cardo Freecom 4X like I do, and you're having problems with the music showing up, but it's not actually playing, there's no sound coming through, or it's playing and there's no sound coming through, then hopefully this video will help you out. This is what I did to resolve my issue. I've been in contact with Cardo, told them I'll be making a video. I will be linking the video to them directly for some feedback from them. I am not being sponsored in any way by anybody for this video or content. I just want to help people. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do, regardless of whether you're on iPhone or Android, is whatever means you may be doing to transfer music, is we're going to want to put the music on the root system device folder. So I'll show you what I mean by that now. So I've got an Android device. I'm using the Redmi Note 11 Pro. I've got it hooked up to my PC. Make sure it's in file transfer mode. I'm not too sure what your device specifications are or what steps you would have to take, but make sure that obviously it shows up on whatever device that you want to do the transfer. So I've got mine hooked up. Here in the File Explorer, you can see Redmi Note 11 Pro. If I double click on that, I've got two choices. I've got internal storage, external storage, which is the disk here. My failure and my problem is that I didn't know this before, that the music has to be on the internal storage device. If it's on external, whether it's USB, SD card, it will actually show up in the app, but it won't let you create a playlist, which means you can't play the files and listen to them. So it has to be in the internal storage. Make sure you've got enough space for all your files there. So go into the internal storage. Here on an Android device, it may be different for iPhone. It has a standard folder of music. So if I double click that, you can see I've created my own Cardo MP3, and there's all my music files. Okay, and that's the first step that you're going to want to take, obviously after making sure that your devices work properly. And once all that's done, I'm now going to show you on the phone what I did to make this work. So let's go there and take this next step together, and hopefully we'll resolve the issue for you. Okie dokie, ladies and gents. So moving on to step 2, what we're going to want to do now is make sure that our Cardo device is switched on and that we have it connected with the app. So here on my phone, the Cardo device is active. I'm now going to go into the Cardo app. Okay, so I've already got mine connected, and this is the screen that you should see. On Android it may look a bit different, but this is what it looks, sorry, on iPhone it may look different. This is what it looks like on an Android device. So if I now click on music and go to this little symbol here, I'll highlight that in the video for you, and click on that, you're going to get 3 selections. You're going to get the Connect player, which it's default selected. In the middle, you'll see Spotify, and then you'll see Other Music Application. Now, if Connect Player works for you, that's great. It didn't for me, so the step I had to take was to use Other Music Application. Select that. Now, because I've done this previously, you won't see the pop-up notification, but by standards, it will send you a pop-up notification to go and play a music file on that before it's even recognized. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. So if I just back out of that, go to my music player. Now I've obviously already got everything selected, so your music player, make sure everything's selected. Just go ahead and play a track. You can see there that the track is actually running. Okay, so there we go. There's the track actually running. And now it should be recognized by my Cardo device. So I'm just going to pick up my helmet here. This is going to be a bit awkward, but hopefully this will work. Hey Cardo, music on. Okay. Hey Cardo, next track. Hey Cardo, next track. Hey Cardo, previous track. And I'm doing this all now via voice command. So basically, after you've selected the other player, go to it, hit play on a music file, then on the Cardo device, say, hey Cardo, music on. that will recognize that you've actually got a track already playing, and from there you'll be able to say, next track, previous track, and you have to prompt it to do that every time. Okay, you have to make sure that the music player is selected, play one of the tracks, and then just say, hey Cardo, music on, and hopefully that should solve the issue for you. If you found a different way around a workaround, whether it's Android or iPhone, please leave some comments below, because I'd be interested to hear um, your resolves with the issue that I've run into. Now, hopefully, the Cardo Music app will be updated a little bit better to where we can actually use not just the internal storage but also external storage, whether it's a dongle, the SD card, or whatever it may be, and hopefully the player will be a bit better. But that could also be due to my Android device, I'm not too sure. So ladies and gents, boys and girls, I hope this video has helped you out. I really appreciate all your feedback, and don't forget, if this has helped you out, maybe leave a little like and a subscribe. So all the best for the future, ride safe, and toodaloo!